Hello, allies. It's a great day here at Alliance RV. I'm Bill Martin, and I want to take a few minutes just to explore awnings on RVs. First and foremost, we want to make sure that the awning is being used properly. If you're having heavy wind gusts, 12 plus miles an hour, if you think it's going to rain out or you're going to be gone for an extended time, put the awning in. Just make sure that you don't come back to an unwelcome surprise. As you can imagine, that canopy is about 8 feet wide, 12 to 14 feet long or longer. It can gather a lot of water if it starts to rain and become quite heavy. So what are the common things we see with awnings? Well, first of all, when you're retracting the awning to bring it in, if you get sidetracked and you keep pushing that retract button down, once the awning is fully closed, if you hold it for a few seconds, you will blow a fuse. Very easy to replace, but just watch what you're doing and you won't have to ever replace a fuse. Another question we see is seemingly random. Your awning control switch, your extend and retract will seem like it switched. You'll say, it worked well yesterday, but today my awning switched. Extend retracts and retract extends. Well, what that is if you extend your awning out and continue to hold that button down, that barrel will actually start to roll up on itself. As soon as it starts to do that, now it's going to be in the reverse order. To make sure that things are proper, all you need to do is make sure the awning fabric is on the top of the barrel roller. If you notice that the awning fabric is on the bottom of that roller, all you need to do is roll it back out a little further until that fabric is up on top, and then your features will work just as designed. So now to get it back in order, I'm going to hit the retract button. Now you've got your canopy up on top. Your buttons will work just as designed.